Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today are electric hand warmers. They've received 4.7 out of 5 stars and over 10,000 have been purchased in the past month alone on Amazon. Introducing the AI hand warmers rechargeable 2-pack with 6,000 mAh of power in each unit. These electric hand warmers are designed to keep you cozy for hours, no matter where you are. Featuring fast heating and 3 adjustable temperature settings, they provide instant warmth tailored to your comfort. Rechargeable and eco-friendly, they're a perfect companion for outdoor adventures, chilly commutes, or cozying up at home. Plus, the dual pack ensures you have double the warmth at your fingertips. Stay warm, stay powered with the ultimate winter essential. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.